Hey guys, it's Aurelius. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to run through an AI tool called Krea. Specifically, they've got a new feature that allows you to chat away in order to turn your text prompts into images. But the difference is, we've got Midjourney, we've got other tools like Flux that allows you to do all of this using simple text prompts, but I'll show you the difference. For example, let's say you want to generate something like a line with a duck face, which we've done. We can go further and then make changes based on simple chat conversational style prompts like this. Generate these again, but choose a random style or artistic rendering method. And as you can see, it outputs that rather than having 3 or 4 options and then that is it, and then having to regenerate them. Instead of doing that, you can use this chat prompt just as you would if you were to chat with a friend, and then it will make those changes for you. So let's get on to the tutorial and I'll show you exactly how it works. Sign up with Krea is free. You do get a certain number of credits you can use each day. However, you can't use it for commercial purposes. If you are serious about using Krea, then I do recommend you upgrade to one of its plans, although I'm not an affiliate or sponsored in any way. So showing you just how useful this tool can be, making it easier for you to actually utilize AI in your day-to-day. All right, so once you've signed up, all you need to do is look for the chat option, although they do feature it now at the very top of the homepage. It's as simple as prompting exactly what you want. I'm just going to use one of the pre-made prompts here. This is a medieval character right here. Looks dark, cinematic, and medieval. The warrior should have a metal armor full of decorations and make it look like a photo. All right, so it generates 3 by default. Give it some time to generate the high quality version. I am on the free plan just for demonstration purposes, so you can see what the limitations are, and at the very top you can see how much usage you have left. I've pretty much used all of it, but at this point what you can do, you will be shown some options in order to make changes. You can regenerate them by clicking on more. You can change the style, blue hour filter kind of thing, Van Gogh. We got the blur option, make it vivid. Otherwise, use the prompt right here, or you can attach a certain guideline so that it will know what you want to achieve and then submit away. There are a few more examples right here. If you want to make it, let's say, black and white, mono, enter it all right there. In this example, you see here what I have requested for Krea to produce is a minimalist monotone abstract desktop wallpaper. All right, so I got pretty much all of it except for the monotone. I'm just thinking that it should have been black and white. So then I prompted it to make it black and white, which it did. So once done, the only thing is you can see that it's not consistent with the first generation of images. It just essentially regenerated the whole prompt altogether, but this time black and white. And then I asked it for geometrical instead, so making it more straighter lines and things like that. You can see what it's done. So makes it truly as easy as chatting away rather than knowing what kind of text prompt to add, and you don't need to be an expert at prompt engineering. You'll see on the left the history of all of your generations here. So Krea could prove as a really useful tool for the novice if you're a beginner with AI, not knowing exactly how to use some of the technical and sophisticated text-to-image or text-to-video AI tools out there, rather than entering or knowing what to prompt the AI to produce. Simply chat away. You could start from a very core, very basic prompt and then go more advanced, more specific on the details as the images generate. You can do things also like creating foundations for your website, such as the logo of your website, rather than starting from scratch. If you're in the ideation phase of your business and you're trying to get it off the ground, this is where I see it will be also useful. Other than that, really, it could be a fun little tool for you to generate things like these things based on your imagination, or like the other example where I generated some desktop wallpapers that could be used on my, of course, desktop computer. So go ahead, I've left a link in the description box below so you can experiment and try Krea for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.